Earthquake. What is earthquake? An earthquake is caused by a sudden slip on a fault. This shaking can result in the damage of various structures, such as buildings, and further breakdown of the Earth's surface. What to do when there is an earthquake? Before an earthquake, make sure you have a fire extinguisher, first aid kit, and a battery-powered radio, a flashlight, and extra batteries at home. Also learn first aid. Learn how to turn off the gas, water, and electricity. Make up a plan where to meet your family after an earthquake. Don't leave heavy objects on shelves. Learn the earthquake plan of your school or workplace. During an earthquake, stay calm. If you're indoors, stay inside. If you're outside, stay outside. If you're indoors, stand against a wall near the center of the building. Stand in a doorway or crawl under heavy furniture. Stay away from windows and outside doors. If you're outdoors, stay in the open, away from the power lines or anything that might fall. Stay away from the buildings. If you're in the car, stop the car and stay inside the car until the earthquake stops. Don't use matches, candles, or any flame. Broken glass lines and fire don't mix. Do not use elevator. They will probably get stuck anyway. After an earthquake, check yourself and others for injuries. Provide first aid for anyone who needs it. Stay away from beaches. Tsunamis sometimes hit after the ground has stopped shaking. Stay away from damaged areas. If you're at school or work, follow the emergency plan or instruction of the person in charge. Expect aftershocks. Always remember, duck down the floor, cover under a sturdy table or desk, hold on until shaking stops. Things to avoid. Number 1, don't hide under a bed. The small space underneath a bed will be made even smaller if the ceiling collapses on it. Next, don't climb under a desk. Crouch beside it. Furniture can become a little deadfall trap when the weight of the debris is added on top of it. Steer clear of the stair. The threads can cut a person into pieces if the building collapses on top of them. Don't skip the doorway. If you're standing under a doorway and the door jamb falls forward or backward, you will still get crushed by the ceiling. And next, don't flee from windows. Glass moves and breaks in strange pattern during earthquakes, and these broken pieces can be deadly if they fall on you or if you fall onto them.